testing lang muna sa pag-record ng GTA 5 dito sa computer ko. Pakita ko sa inyo settings sa graphics. Yan po settings ko sa graphics. Solution 1920 by 1080, so I'm using a 1080p monitor from BenQ. FXAA and MSAA are both off. VSync is on. Then population density, population variety, distance scaling are lower down. Texture quality high, shader quality high, shadow quality high, reflection quality high, reflection MSAA off, water quality and particles quality as well for the grass quality set to high. Soft shadows set it to NVIDIA PCSS. Post FX normal. Tapos naka times 4 na dito sa anisotropic filtering, ambient occlusion naka high, resolution high. Ayan po. And then
controversial champion of openness and data mining had his data mined.
Gameplay. By the way, I'm using Intel i-Core i5 4460 sa 4th gen processor. Wala siyang hyper-threading, kundi 4 cores lang siya na physical. And then my graphics card is GTX 950 by Galax. This is the white edition. Pakita ko sa inyo yung sinasabi ng white edition na graphics card ko. Ayan po yung graphics card, the GPU itself. GTX GeForce 950 by Galax. Balik tayo sa laro. By the way nga pala, since NVIDIA ang aking graphics card, I'm using NVIDIA Shadowplay software to record this game. Okay naman ang performance, dito naman naman nag-drive sa freeway. Wala akong stuttering na na-experience. Saka maganda yung pagkaka-render ng graphics, so kahit naka-high lang lahat. Para lang doon sa MA, basta yung mga AA na nasa config niya sa graphics. Enough ko na lang. Once in my game.
The hell is this place? Garment factory. I needed a job that didn't require me to do anything apart from paying taxes.
So, yan po yung demo ko sa GTA 5. I hope you like it.
Depository.
Thank you.